This is the journal that I made this month with Junk Journal Fix with sunflowers and doors, and this is for the Steampunk challenge. So it is a 2-signature journal, 3-hole pamphlet stitch, the soft cover from the mailer bag. I have made a cluster on the front, and there is the back attachment on the back. I have added a journal card in there. Lots of journal space. A little pocket throughout. Most of the things you'll see in here came from the 3 challenges, the 4 challenges. Some extras in the envelope. You can make whatever you like. There's an envelope pocket there. There's a tuck. And another tuck. And a beautiful large journal card there. This is a large tag with metal. A flip. Some extra pieces that you can make a tag. This is a shaker flip. Some more bits and pieces that you can make a tag with. This is a large paper clip that has a pocket, and in the pocket is another tag. And this is a travel log for your trip. Thanks for watching.